Something followed us.
Has anyone been here before?
Not for a very long time. Ancient doors cannot hide ancient destinies.
This was hidden under the forest?
Someone came through here.
Not someone, something.
This bridge won't survive much weight.
We have no other path. Stay together.
Did you hear that?
We're not alone. Run! It saved us!
The ancient guardian remembers.
Why did it help us?
Because it recognized the light.
They're getting closer!
The seed leaves a trail, even when it tries to hide.
Keep moving.
Go that way.
They're coming!
It's beautiful.
Beauty can be the oldest disguise.
Don't answer them.
State your purpose.
Stay behind me.
Peace.
We're trying to save the secret animal kingdom. The seed chose me.
Guardian of the Whispering Forest. The child speaks the truth.
Impossible. The seed has remembered its guardian. Beyond this bridge lies the final road. The secret animal kingdom awaits.
It's beautiful.
Welcome to the secret animal kingdom.
The light has returned.